Good morning, my name is John Cyrus Alvareda from 11MMA01. Today, I will tell the two rules that struck me the most. The first one is don't multitask, and the second one is don't equate your experience with theirs. First one is don't multitask, which she explained this rule as more than just is setting your phone down. It means fully present in the conversation, not thinking about you're planning to having a dinner or past argument or anything else. And if you are not completely focused on the person, or you only half in out, like which is not a true. Second one is don't equate your experience with theirs, which means is she defined this as a to avoid the impulse to jump in with your own story when someone is sharing you a something personal. For example, is if they are talking you about someone or losing family member, you shouldn't immediately start talking about your own loss. She stressed that how that all experience are individual and not a moment for you to prove how much you've suffered or how amazing you are. Directly connected to the core principles of an effective communication, which is the first one is don't multitask. It states about the principle more than just hearing of words, and it actively engage uh, the speaker to understand the message. Ethically, it demonstrates the respect and the consideration. Ethically, it demonstrates respect and consideration for the speaker, ensuring the conversation of two-way process. It relates the principle of completeness conversation, which is states about a message without missing key. The second one is don't equate your experience in theirs, which is states about the empathy and audience consideration. It highlights the ethical guidelines and serving the to understand the respect of other communication and to